Welcome to Singapore's Jewel Changi Airport. More than just a travel hub, it's a destination in itself. Opened in 2019, Jewel is famous for the world's tallest indoor waterfall, the HSBC Rain Vortex, which stands an incredible 40 meters high. Surrounding it is the Shiseido Forest Valley, a lush indoor garden with over 2,000 trees and 100,000 shrubs from around the world, all thriving under natural sunlight filtered through its glass dome. Jewel connects directly to all Changi Airport terminals and features over 280 retail and dining outlets, including local favorites and global brands. The Canopy Park on the top floor includes sky nets, mazes, and mist gardens, blending play with nature. In 2023, Changi was once again named the world's best airport, showing how innovation and greenery can turn travel into an unforgettable experience. Subscribe for more random educative videos.